Do you want your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra to vibrate when someone answers your call? You can enable Vibrate when answered in the phone app setting. Let me show you how. First, open the phone app. Tap the three dots at the top right. Then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap Call Alert and Ringtone. Under Call Alert section, enable Vibrate when answered. Now, whenever the person you are calling answers the call, your phone will briefly vibrate. This is especially useful when using speakerphone, wearing earbud, waiting for someone to pick up, or when you are not constantly looking at the screen. The vibration gives you a quick physical confirmation that the call has connected. If you prefer not to receive this feedback, you can simply turn this option off. And that's how you make your phone vibrate when calls are answered on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.